Good morning, children. Welcome to chapter 8, Fractions, video 4. In this video, we're going to see fractions of collections, that is, how to divide using fractions, and we're going to see word problems related to fractions. Now, what are fractions of collections? Fractions of collections are dividing fractions. So here is an example of find out 1 by 5th of 15. So we need to find out what fraction of 15, that is 1 by 5th of the whole, which is 15. So how do we find this? The example given here is 15 pineapples. So the total is 15. The total number given is 15. So there are 15 pineapples. Now, you have to divide the collection. So this is our collection. We have a collection of 15 pineapples and this is being divided into 5 parts. So 1 by 5 of 15 means I am dividing this collection into 5 parts or 5 groups. So when you divide this into 5 groups, as you can see that each part has how many pineapples? It has 3 pineapples. So 1 by 5 of 15 is equal to nothing but 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Now let's see a few more examples. I have a collection of 15 ants and I need to find out the fraction of 1 by 5 of 15. So what is the fraction or what is the fraction collection? So we simply divide 15 divided by 5, which is 3. Similarly, we have 1/3 of 6. So how do we find out this fraction? You simply divide 6, that is the total. 6 is the total given. 6 divided by 3, that is the denominator, is equal to 2. Next we have 6 in total and we need to find out what is 1/6 of 6. So here the total given is 6. So we need to find out what is 1/6 fraction of the total 6, and you find out by simply dividing 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. Now let's see few more examples. Here is a collection of 6 fish. So we have a total of 6 fish that has been divided into 2 equal parts. So what is half of 6? So we find this out by simply dividing 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3. Now we have a collection of 4 balloons and it has been divided into 4 equal parts. So what is the fraction 1/4 of 4? So that is 4 divided by 4, which is equal to 1. Let's take the last example wherein you have a total of 9 leaves that has been equally shared into 3 groups. So what is the fraction? That is 1/3. What is 1/3 of 9th? We find it out by dividing, that is 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Now let's have a look at some story sums. My father gave me 1/6 of a chocolate. He gave 2/6 of the chocolate to my sister. Did we get equal portions of the chocolate? Now, in order to find out whether we got equal portions, you need to compare both the fractions. And do you remember what I said? It is very important that the denominators are same in order to compare the fractions. Since 6 and 6 are the denominators which are same, we can simply compare the fractions looking at the numerator. 1 and 2. Are they same? No. 1 is less than 2. So they are not getting equal portions, and the answer is no, they did not get equal portions of the chocolate. Now let's see another sum here. 20 children were playing in a park. 1/4 of them went home at 7 o'clock. How many children went home? Now, the total number of children given over here who were playing in the park is 20. So that would be our first statement. Now, they have given that 1/4 of them went home at 7 o'clock. And since 1/4 is a fraction, we write the statement beginning with fraction of children went home at 7 o'clock is equal to 1/4 or 1/4. Now, what we need to find out is how many children went home. So we write the statement for the answer as number of children who went home is equal to 1/4 of 20, which is equal to 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. So 5 children went home. Let's take another example. Gaurav finished 7/12 of his homework on Saturday and 3/12 on Sunday. Now this question has two parts. The first part we'll see in the slide and the second part in the next slide. What fraction of the homework did Gaurav finish in 2 days? So here we have the information, that is Gaurav finished 7/12 of his homework on Saturday. Now since 7/12 is a fraction, we write the statement beginning with fraction of homework Gaurav finished on Saturday is equal to 7/12. Next information we have is he finished 3/12 on Sunday. Thus, the fraction of homework Gaurav finished on Sunday is equal to 3/12. Now, how do we find out the fraction of homework he finished on both the days? Obviously, you need to add them up since we need to find out how much he got, how much he did in total. So, fraction of homework Gaurav finished in 2 days is equal to 7/12 plus 3/12. Since the denominators are same, which is 12, you simply add the numerators. So, 12 is in common in the denominator and you simply add 7 plus 3, which is equal to 10/12. So, he finished 10/12 in 2 days. Let's take the second part of the question, which is how much more homework did Gaurav do on Saturday than on Sunday? Now, we write the information that has been given in the question first as it is. So, fraction of homework Gaurav finished on Saturday is equal to 7/12. Fraction of homework Gaurav finished on Sunday is equal to 3/12. Now, since the denominators are same, which is 12, looking at the fractions, can we tell which day did Gaurav finish more? Of course, it is 7, that is on Saturday. So now the question is, how much more did he finish on Saturday than on Sunday? Since we're comparing both, you need to subtract and find out the answer. So fraction of homework Gaurav finished on Saturday than on Sunday, how much extra he finished on Saturday than on Sunday is 7/12 minus 3/12. Since the denominators are same, you simply subtract the numerators. That is equal to 7 minus 3 divided by 12, which gives us 4/12. So the answer is 4/12 he finished on Saturday than on Sunday. Now let us see some interesting facts. 2 halves make a whole, 3 1/3 make a whole, 4 1/4 make a whole, and so on. That means 5 1/5 make a whole, 6 1/6 make a whole, 7 1/7 make a whole, and it goes on like that. Now, as the denominator increases, the fraction always becomes smaller. Thank you, children. I hope you had fun learning fractions.